Hi everyone, Paul here again. Today I'm going to show you very quickly how to use the Google product Jamboard. And essentially it's a whiteboard that you are able to share with your students, interact with them, or just use as a direct teaching tool. So go ahead and on your single sign-on, just jump into your Google Drive. Once you jump into Google Drive, you can either do it straight on your drive or select a folder. I'm going to go ahead and click New and go to More and look down here to the right and you have Google Jamboard. When you click that, it opens up and fairly intuitive. I'm just going to share with you the functions that it has. It works like a Google Doc. You title it up here. You can choose a background color. I like to use blue or black. And makes the other items kind of pop out. Then on top, you have, if you want to create new pages of your Google Jams, so you just would click, it works like a slide. So I'll go back to one. And then fairly intuitive, you have your pen over here. It gives you what brush stroke and then the color. And then you just click on there and whatever you want to put. Click here to erase. Just gives you a little eraser. This is your pointer. Right here, you could do sticky notes. So you just click, choose the color sticky note you want, type right in the field, save, and that pops up as a sticky note. Down here, you can enter images from your computer, from Google Drive, from your photos, just like you would upload any other image. And down here, if you're during, you have a laser pointer. So if you're doing a lesson or you want students to look at what you are looking to, then just click on that. And this is kind of cool. You point to it and there you have it. It kind of disappears. Neat little feature. So with that feature, with another feature that I like a lot is that since it's Google, it works very efficiently and seamlessly to share out within one of your classrooms. So I'll give you an example. First, let's jump to a Jamboard that I created. So I'm going to first go to the Jamboard I've created. This one is CoinLogic. If you're interested, these are available for you on my math website that you can find in Teach Remote Learning. I'll show you at the end of this brief explanation. So I have this, I want to share it out to my students. So just know two things. You can share it, this Jamboard, with them and they can interact on it with you. So they could drag and drop the images that I've created here. You could do it as well, whoever you share this with. Now, if you have done a lesson and you want them to work on a Jamboard just like this, instead of having them try to create this on their own and just focus on the lesson, you just simply jump to your Google Classroom. And I know that most of you are familiar with this, but just to remind you, you can create it as an assignment and then add it. Go to your Google Drive and pick that CoinLogic. And it's there. Remember to go to the right here, click the arrow, and make a copy for each student. Now by doing this, each student's going to receive that CoinLogic Jamboard that I made. The sticky notes has the clues or instructions, and then they're able to work on that with either a group or on their own and then submit it. Or if you'd like, they can share their Jamboard during a class session explaining how they arrived at their answers to the problems. Really fun, simple to use. You should check it out. And again, if you want to use some of the CoinLogic, or I've also done Crayon Logic that are already preset and ready to go, you are welcome to grab them. Just go ahead to my website. So I'll guide you there real quick if you're not familiar. On your single sign-on, just scroll down to Remote Learning Teacher. When that opens up, it'll prompt you to sign in. Scroll down and just go to Curricular Websites. You click that, and that is going to jump you to my math website. On my math website, you have two choices. You can just go to the text search down here, type in activities, it'll show up there. Or since it is a strategic thinking lesson, come up to the top here, click strategic thinking and scroll down. You'll see some items related to SBAC, but then if you go a little further, you'll see a couple activities that I've done here. Crayon Logic and CoinLogic. They have the activities. They come with a Kahoot warm-up I made and an answer key. So yeah, check it out. And that's it. Take care of yourself.